So my name's Daniel Wormell. We're farmers in North Essex, about 600 hectares, cropping, mostly wheat, grain maize on pretty heavy land. So a couple of years ago we had a really wet autumn. We had a neighbour come in and do some contract drilling with an TYRES, and I was pretty amazed at how light it travelled. It certainly travelled where we couldn't with our wheeled machine. And it sort of opened my eyes to, looking at tracks and seeing if we could retrofit them to our existing tractor. So I managed to find a second-hand set in the Netherlands with the help of Percy Brock at Outland. And together we managed to import them, get them fitted in time for the following spring. It's been a revolution, to be honest with you. On wet ground, either late in the autumn or early spring, it's allowed us to travel a lot longer and leave a lot less compaction. So we've got the tracks fitted to a 2025 Optum 300. This is actually our second Optum on tracks. Our first one had the tracks. When we sold that, we put them straight onto this machine. So the main jobs this tractor carries out, obviously drilling, seedbed cultivations, primary cultivations. It goes on a chaser bin as well for grain maize harvest. We try and use it as much as we can, as you would do with a normal mainline tractor. So not that we've needed much backup, but whenever we have needed parts or we have questions about the tracks, Outland have always been there to assist us and to source tracks or idlers or whatever it may be from Soucy in the Netherlands or Soucy in Canada.